Una mong mensahe ipaparating sa kanya bilang isang kandidato ng Lakan.
Maraming salamat sa ito. Marami nagawa ang proyekto, magagandang proyekto si Gov. So, and ang masasabi ko lang po sa kanya ay sana ipagpatuloy niya ito sa kanyang mga projects dahil dapat tayo nagpo-focus sa healthcare lalo na pagdating sa mga may mga sakit na punta pa sa ibang provinces or sa Manila para lang makuha nila yung treatment nila. And para sa akin maganda yung project na ginagawa ni Sol na nagpo-focus siya sa healthcare para matulungan yung mga nangangailangan. Ayun lang po eh. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. My name is Charlie Galupig from Cavite. If given the opportunity to talk to Governor Sal Aragones, I would like first to thank her all the things that she's doing here in our province, and then I would like to propose, if given the opportunity, my campaign about tourism. Because we as Lakan, we are also ambassador of tourism. I would like to propose my campaign, which is Laguna, where every star tells a story. This project introduces Laguna Travel Passport, where this is related to or inspired by the Starbucks Collection campaign, where every tourist, every time that they visit a accredited destination here in our province, they will receive a star. And in partnership with the Alicaton, with our organization, once they completed a certain number of stars, they will receive a gift and also a chance to visit a tourism spot for free. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Let's hear our Lakan from Victoria.
My name is Raven Menentim from Victoria. One thing that I want to say to our current governor is job well done. Because as we see, there are a lot of projects that gradually being accomplished by our governor, and it's really helpful to the citizen of Laguna. And I would like to congratulate her for being so tediously working hard in order to have a prosperous Laguna. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Pakinggan natin ang Lakan mula sa bayan ng Nagkaran. Hello everyone, my name is Charles Vita from Nagkaran. And ang sasabihin ko ng Igor is, thank you so much sa ginagawa niya sa Laguna ngayon. Malaking nagtutulong nito sa mga small businesses and farmers natin na malaking natutulong upang mag-increase ang kinikita ng Lagunense. And para sa akin, sana mas magpatuloy ang magandang ginagawa ni Gobsol and matulungan pa ang mga kabataan at mas mabigyan pa ng opportunity.
Maraming salamat. And finally, we have our Lakan from Calamba City.
Mabuhay, I'm Genyo Reyes Kapatan from Calamba City. If I'm given a chance to talk about Gov. Sol Aragones advocacy about health system, I would like to thank her very much. And if there's a chance or giving me an opportunity, I would like to help her because I'm a student of computer engineering where we are building prototype also in the healthcare system where pinapadali namin ang trabaho ng mga nurse at mga pasyente na makuha ang kanilang vital statistic po. Thank you.
Maraming salamat mula sa Bae, Cavite, Victoria, Nagkaran at Calamba. Thank you, Lakan. Jay?